Okay, here we are in a new project. It's a house that has a concrete stain, but it's kind of like a painting that we started last week, Thursday. And here, as you can see, we're grinding the concrete, taking out all the old stain that was there. And yeah, we have to basically take it down at least 1/8 of an inch because there's a lot of like pinholes and all the paint that they put on, which is not like an actual stain, but it's like a paint got inside the little holes. So we have to do one by one. So it's kind of like a paint. Okay, when we get this type of jobs, usually people get us when it's like a last resort. And here, as you can see, I'm opening the holes because it had a carpet before. It looks like it had tile and carpet, and this is what happens when you have carpet. You have holes all over the edges of the house, and here I'm cleaning it so that way we can patch it. So basically, we gotta do all of that to the whole house that has holes in it. We have to clean it with the chipping hammer. Okay, make sure it's really clean. We have to vacuum it afterward, and then that's when we start, putting the primer and start patching it. That way, it would look the way it is. And here, as you can see, we have the concrete grind in the vacuum. Here we're patching one by one. It's a pain. The thing is that we don't do it all like an overlay, the entire thing, because it's just too expensive. It's just not worth it because we have to take it out again. So we have to go basically, with the light, put it on the floor and find, where the holes are. That's basically the only way. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot. It's kind of scary, when you see it and you're not used to it. I'm used to it. Yeah, I've got worse floors than this, and yeah, there's really no choice with it. So that's what we're doing one by one. It took us about 2 days to finish. All the holes. As you can see, the patch that we use is a special patch. That way, you don't see it that much. You can still see it. But when you stand, it doesn't look that much. As you can see here, we grinded again the floor. We had to grind it like 6 times the floor. We started first with a 30 grit metal, trapezoid, get it really down, and then we have to use 2 segments to grind it again. So I mean, it was a lot that we had to do. As you can see here we had done already with the grinding. We had to do some details. As you can see, you can still see the patch. The homeowner, she knows about it. She wants to be seen. It's not like a homeowner that doesn't want the patch to be seen. In this situation, she likes the really industrial look. There's not really that much you can do with it, except when you want it like a natural with no stain. You can hide the patches a little bit. You use like a lighter patching, but when it's a stain, you really can't do that much. They're gonna show unless you go with a dark stain, but here the homeowner shows light stain. As you can see here, here the patches, you see it. The homeowner likes it, really love the floor. She wants that industrial feel. This is not your typical marble client, that wants like a perfect floor. She wants to be the imperfections to be seen, all the patches. That kind of like it feels like it's in a warehouse. Kind of that's what they want to feel that they're in. I mean, for some people it won't work. For some people they will be freaked out, but this is what we do every day. This is the type of client that look for us. This is what they want, and we strive to give the client what they want. This is what they want. We do it for them, and we strive to do our best with what we got. And it was a really interesting job. I thank God that for this job.